Good morning, boys and girls from 6M. This is Mr. Kenny speaking. And I'm very happy because we have this chance to learn English together. And for today, we are still in Unit 1, all about feeling. And Mr. Kenny is going to lead all of you to look into page number 5, 6, and 7. For today, we will have learn grammar. We will learn writings. Okay? 同学们，大家早上好，新年快乐，新年进步。今天呢，我们依然在英文的这个单元1 All About Feelings 这个单元里头，然后呢，老师会带领你们一起去探讨、去学习取自课本第5、第6还有第7面的英文的语文知识，还有一些基本的写作技巧。那么呢，我们不要浪费时间，我们就开始我们今天的课堂。OK， 来，我们就马上直接看课本了哈。OK， 我们看第5面，从第5面开始。When we write, we must punctuate our sentences correctly. 当我们在写句子、写作文的时候，我们要用到准确、正确的这个标点符号或者是 capital letter 大写、小写这些。OK，When we write, we must use capital letter. We must put full stop, comma, this kind of things. Okay, this kind of the writing rules that we need to follow. So before we look into deeper skills on how to apply punctuation, Mr. Kenny is going to lead you to understand the meaning of capital letter, exclamation marks, speech marks, question mark, full stop, okay, which we had learned earlier. 好，我们还没有进入更深这个话题之前，老师先带你们重温我们以前学过的一些基本的这些标点符号，还有这个写英文的这个写作的这些方法。Number 1, use a capital letter to start a sentence and for proper nouns. Capital letter 就是大写。OK，to start a sentence， 当我们在写任何一个句子，第一个字我们一定要放 capital letter。Look at here， 看这个老师在这个箭头啊，这个when Sonia，when 是第一个字，一个句子的第一个字。OK，the beginning，the start of the sentence，right？ 所以一定要 capital letter。And for proper nouns，proper noun 就是那一个好像地方的名字或者人的名，我们就要放。我们叫 proper nouns，proper nouns 呢也是要用 capital letter 来写的。OK，Number 2, use an exclamation mark at the end of a sentence that shows strong feelings. Strong feelings， 什么是 strong feeling？ 很强的那一种感觉，好像很开心啊，或者是很激动的时候 ，we use exclamation marks to indicate our feeling。OK。当我们在表达我们的感受的时候，很强烈的感受，很讨厌、很喜欢、很兴奋的时候，我们就要放 exclamation mark， 也就是我们华语我们叫感叹号啊。We look here， OK， 来老师演啊 ，Dave， stop digging。OK， 你看啊，他在讲的时候 ，she shouted， 他在喊 ，Dave， stop digging， exclamation marks。Because why? Because she shouted， 因为她在喊 ，shouted 是喊的意思，所以你看她用这个 exclamation mark 的地方有没有用对？她用对了 ，OK？ 因为她正在很激烈、很 strong feeling 的时候啊，很强烈感觉的时候，她在讲话，她在强调，她叫 Dave 不要去挖 ，OK？ 所以她放 exclamation marks，OK？Make sense 啊？很讲符合逻辑啊，同学们都应该明白吧 ？OK？或者是好像 example， Stop crying， she shouted 啊，不要再哭了，她喊啊，这个也是可以用 exclamation marks，OK？And number 3, we look here. Use speech marks to show that someone is speaking. 这个开关引号就是人家在对话的时候，在讲话的时候，我们要用到的 speech mark。speech 啊，单单这个 speech 的意思是指讲话、演讲啊，讲的时候叫 speech，OK？Speech mark 就是这个开关引号，在讲话的时候 用到的。英文的是一个豆芽开，一个豆芽关。OK， 明白啊 ，boys and girls? So we look into this sentence. Dad told me to plant a mango tree. OK， 开关引号。And for English， 我们通常开关引号，如果好像我们是在讲一个人在讲话的时候啊，好像 he explained， 我们在这个中间这里，我们是没有放这个 full stop， 我们是直接放comma 的 ，OK？ 除非你问号 ，if you have question you put question marks. If you are very aggressive, you have strong feeling, you want to use exclamation mark, you put exclamation mark. If you are normal, you use comma. 如果我们只是普通讲一个句子罢了，在对白当中我们只是讲句子罢了的话，英文的我们都是通常我们是放一个句号，不是放句号，我们放一个逗号，关引号 ，he explained， 然后结尾最后面结尾我们才放一个句号，才放一个 full stop，OK？OK， 来再看一下啊 ，Dad told me to plant a mango tree, he explained， 他解释啊，所以在最后我们才放一个句号。And for number 4, use a question marks at the end of a questions，OK？ 啊 ，questions 就是问题哦，问题就是问号啦 ，OK？ 问号。Okay, let's look together. You can read it for me, okay? Read together. We read together, okay? Do you need any help? Question marks. 你需要什么帮忙吗？ Do you need any help? Asked Sonia. Full stop. Do you need any help? Asked Sonia. Full stop. Okay? Use a full stop at the end of a sentence. 在一个句子里面，结尾一定要用full stop. Okay? I believe that all of you understand full stop, how to apply full stop. So today we learn capital letter, exclamation marks, speech marks, question mark, and full stop. Okay? 这个我们将会学习了，我们用在这个练习这边。Okay? So let's discuss and we can complete it together. Okay? 你们可以准备好你们的笔记本或者是你们的 exercise， 我们可以直接一起讨论掉哈。Rewrite the sentences. 一起读，一起读。Rewrite the sentences below using correct punctuation. Rewrite the sentences below using correct punctuation. 用正确的标点符号那些去重写这个句子。所以呢，这个我们来看一下。第一个字啊，有小写的这个肯定错。OK， 所以这个改掉。Why is she crying？ 这么还哭，所以 why is a question, right？ 是一个问题来的。所以它不应该这样子，它应该要有一个问号在这里。So W 改掉 ，Why is she crying? Full stop must be we must change it into question marks. Ask the little boy. Full stop. And 是 little boy 在问问题，对不对？所以 Why is she crying? 这个呢，我们要加 speech marks 在里头。Okay, so Mr. Kenny have an example for you to assist you to understand it better. Okay, wait for a while. Okay, so we can look at here. Okay, are you still with me? Okay, Mr. Kenny is going to drag this out so you can have a look. 老师把这个一起同步一起看，所以你们比较容易明白。Okay. Number 1. Why is she crying? Asked the little boy. Why is she crying? Asked the little boy. Okay, look the difference. Number 2. I should be in capital letter. I 永远都是 capital letter 的 Okay. I feel great today. I did very well in my test. Said Becky. Exclaim Becky, sorry, exclaim 就是他很开心，很 strong feeling 啊，他很开心的讲出来啊 ，OK， excited 的讲出来，所以我们知道前面它一定是要开引号speech marks 哦 ，speech mark。I 大写 I feel great today. I did very well in my test. Exclaim 啊，所以他讲话很激动。这个 full stop we should write it, we should change it, and it will be exclamation marks, okay? And this exclamation mark, we need to change it into full stop. Okay, example here. Read together. 一起读，一起读。I feel great today. I did very well in my test. Exclaimed Vicky. Again, I feel great today. I did very well in my test. Exclaimed Vicky. Okay? Next, I know he's very upset. He lost his new bicycle yesterday. 这个有没有？这个是有人家在讲话吗？没有，对不对？ It's not a dialogue. It's not a conversation. It's only a sentence because it didn't mention said by Ali or said by someone. Okay, so this is a very easy thing. We just need to change and correct and rewrite based on what you read. Okay, I know he's very upset. 我知道他很难过。I know he's very upset. So why we have the question marks 啊？这个 question mark 给它改掉，变成 full stop。full stop 之后的那一个字啊，就是新的句子了咯。And 那个 he 要变成 capital letter. He lost his new bicycle yesterday. Okay, the example is here. I know he's very upset. He lost his new bicycle yesterday. Okay. I know he's very upset. He lost his new bicycle today. And number 4, this one will be capital letter, okay? Wow. Wow 啊，这个 W 大写。That's a beautiful painting. We have to change the question mark into exclamatory marks, okay? And then who painted it? The who, we need to change the who into capital letter, painted it. 谁画的这个画画 question marks, okay? Wow, that's a beautiful painting. Who painted it? Wow, that's a beautiful painting. Who painted it? And number 5, last one. No, it's not your calculator. It's mine. Yelled Hanif. Yelled 的话是指他喊叫。It's a very strong feeling. We speak in a very strong tone, okay? 他在喊。No, it's not your calculator. It's mine. Yelled Hanif. So this is the conversation, the word, the sentence saying by Hanif. Okay, so we must have the speech mark. 我们要有这个开引号，因为这个是 Hanif 在讲话。OK， 看这个。OK， speech mark, no, capital letter. It's not your calculator. It's mine. Because of the words yelled here, so this will be a this will be we have to write. We have to put exclamatory marks, okay? 因为这里有讲到他喊嘛 ，Hanif 在喊，所以我们这里就要放一个感叹号。So boys and girls, we are still okay 啊，还可以啊，跟着老师啊。And then for this part, I want all of you to use the same method to complete the works, okay? 用一样的方法来完成它。So I give you two seconds to identify the mistakes of these parts, okay? 这两段有什么错误？我要你们自己马上直接先在心里面知道它的错误先，然后我们直接一起讨论。Oh dear, I can't find my science book anywhere. Exclaim Mimi. 开引号关引号要在哪里啊 ？Exclaim 哦 ，exclaim 是 strong feeling，exclaim 是在讲哦。他很激动的在讲着，他找不到他的 science book， 他找不到他的那个科学书。Okay, 1, 2. Okay, time's up. So it should be oh dear, I can't find my science book anywhere. Okay, exclamatory marks, exclaim Mimi. After Mimi, you have a full stop. Okay. And then we know Mimi is talking, so this will we need speech marks, okay? 因为 Mimi 在讲话，所以我们一定要有 speech marks 在里面 ，okay? And therefore, next paragraph 第二段 Stay calm, I will help you to look for it now, said Sonia. 一个 said 字啊，所以这个讲话，人家在讲话的那个句子。She went into the study room and found the book under Mimi's laptop. So how am I going to write it? 2 seconds. 1, 2. Okay, let's look. Stay calm. 他没有喊，他没有叫。The Sonia didn't give any very strong feelings or use any words to indicate the feeling. So we just stay calm. Full stop. And then I will help you to look for it now. Okay, as I said just now, we have to put a comma. Okay. 如果那个句子它没有好像强调，它没有感到它没有问题，没有放这个问号的话，我们写这个对白，我们一定要以句号做结尾，然后 said Sonia 才放这个句号。Stay calm. I will help you to look for it now. Comma said Sonia. Okay, capital letter S and then full stop. She went into the study and found the book under Mimi's laptop. Okay, she went into the study and found book under Mimi's laptop. 这个 no changes except for the words we need to put a capital letter. For Mimi's name and then full stop here. Okay, 所以这个没有很大的改变。Next one will be Sonia held up the book and said. Sonia 她把书拿起来 and said 然后讲Mimi, here it is. Mimi, 书在这里。Sonia held up the book and said 她在讲 and said Mimi, it's here. Mimi, here it is. 因为这里前面有这个 comma 了，后面我们要让这个句子变完整，我们要完成这个整个句子，所以我们这一边我们就可以放 full stop， 明白吗 ？comma， 不是 comma， 这个 full stop 就是让这个整个句子变得给它完成完成那个整个句子整个对白。所以呢，你看现在为什么这个它的后面它的结尾跟上面的这个不一样的？那么这个是逗号，这个是句号的因为这个上面这个还放句号，是因为said Sonia， 它后面还有一个 Sonia 在讲嘛，所以 said Sonia 这个字 ，Sonia 的名字后面有一个 full stop。Whereas for this sentence, said Sonia held up the book and said, OK， 他 Sonia 拿起那个书，然后 Sonia 说 ，Mimi, here it is, full stop，OK， 他要让这个句子整个句子完成它。所以呢，在这样的情况之下，我们就要放句号，不然我们的这个对白不能够完成然后没有的好 ending 的 conversation， 没有的好完成同学们。And next, Mimi ran to her sisters. Mimi ran to her sister. She hugged her and said, "I'm so happy. Thank you, Sonia." Mimi ran to her sister. Full stop. Okay. Full stop 之后要 capital letter。She hugged her and said, OK， 她在讲 said， 所以我们要有这个 speech marks。I'm so happy， 因为这个肯定是很激动。I'm so happy. We know it's going to be an exclamatory mark because 她抱她姐姐，她很激动的抱她姐姐。OK，I'm so happy. Thank you, comma, and then Sonia, full stop.Speech marks. Okay. So these are all for these parts. I believe that all of you have a clear picture. 不要乱做的时候，不要紧张，不要乱，就是用我们明白的道理去完成它就好了。这个我们有学过的了，之前。Okay. So now we go to another page. Page 6. Okay. Page 6. Okay. Sonia wrote 2 sentences on the whiteboard. Did she make any spelling mistakes? Sonia 她把2个句子写在黑板。Okay. So now we are going to read the sentence together. 一起读。The chief spoke to the children calmly. The chief spoke to the children calmly. 村长跟年轻的小孩子们很祥和，很平静的跟他们聊天，很静的跟他们聊天，没有生气的啦跟他们在讲这话。The chief spoke to the children calmly. Next, she jumped and jumped, but she could not touch the ceiling. She jumped and jumped but could not touch the ceiling. 她跳跳跳，但是她还是动不到那个天花板。OK，ceiling。So the words in red, is there any mistake? 这两个红色的字有错误吗？有没有 spelling error? I give you 2 seconds to figure it out. OK， 两秒钟来察觉有没有错误。1, 2, OK, time's up. No, there's no wrong with the words. The spelling is okay, everything is fine. Okay? But they are different. There are differences. The differences will be, you look at the shift. Shift 是 IE, ceiling 是 EI. Okay, so there are differences in term of spelling. 它们有差别，就是 shift 是 IE, ceiling 是 EI. 我们要怎样的情况之下，我们才要放 EI？ 什么情况我们要放这个 IE 呢？ It's very normal if we are confused. Okay, so now we try to make our we try to minimize our confusion 我们把我们的这个乱的这个思维这个讲用 IE 跟 EI 的这个思维，我们全部给它尽量减少掉不要乱。Signpost. Okay, look here. When a word has a long E sound, write IE. 通常如果我们很长的这个 IE 我们读成 E，OK，EI 也是读成 E。比如说 chief, thief, believe, peace 都是 IE。但是如果那个字母它这个 E 它前面是 C 的话啦 ，C 的话一定是跟 EI 在一起的 ，OK，C 一定跟 EI 在一起。C 一定跟 EI 在一起，读音一样，但是它的这个 E 跟 I 一定是要跟 C 连在一起的比如说 receive, receipt, deceive, ceiling， 看得到吗 ？EI 前面都是 E， 老师弄错，老师讲错 ，OK，EI 前面都是 C，EI 前面都是 C， 你看到吗 ？E 跟 I 前面都是 C。And for ceiling 也是 EI 前面都是 C， 你只要背这个就可以了。C EI 在一起 ，chief, thief, believe, peace 这些，他们没有 C， 所以他们是 IE，OK？C 跟 EI 在一起我们做这个练习我们就明白了。Number 1, we were relieved to see our parents。这个前面它是 RL， 所以这个是要把它变成 IE，OK， IE relief。And then for number 2, the conceited girl thinks she is the best pupil in the class. OK, conceited girls， 所以这个它是 C， 它这个是 C， 所以要把它变成 EI，OK。The conceited girl thinks she is in the best pupil in the classroom. Number 3, she told me that the police caught the thief last week. Thief 这个是 TH， 所以要变成 IE. Okay, so we have example over here. Okay, 这边last week. Number 4, we were angry because he deceived us. Okay, we were angry because he deceived us.Deceive 这个 deceive 我们要怎样改变？这个 deceive 要把它变成 CEI， OK? Deceive us. And number 5, don't litter the FIE, OK? The field, 草场 the field. You should keep it clean. OK? Boys and girls, is there any problems? 可以吧，同学们Okay, so I want all of you to rewrite these sentences.And then I want you to complete this email, OK? Complete this email， 把这个 email 给做好。所以这2项功课，老师要你们尝试去做它。OK? And we are going to our last part for today's works, OK? 最后一个 works 今天的 it will be page number 7, OK? Page number 7, exclamatory sentences.So we are going to read the comic strips together. 我们一起来看一下这个漫画，这个是最后一个部分的话，我们一起读的。Say okay, this old man and the monkey, some fruits, some banana. Okay. Go away, you thief! Go away, you thief! 走开吧，小偷。I'll teach that monkey a lesson. I'll teach that monkey a lesson. 我要给那个猴子一个教训。Cool down, my dear. Cool down, my dear. Okay? And then this monkey is, spraying water, okay, into this old man. It's a very rude monkey, okay? 这个 monkey 把水去淋这个老先生啊，一个很不好的 monkey. So we look at the use it right, okay? An exclamatory sentences is a type of sentence which expresses strong emotions or feeling, such as anger, surprise, happiness, excitement, okay? Exclamatory sentences 就是指这个句子它表达出很强烈的感受，比如说生气 anger, surprise 惊喜 happiness 开心快乐 excitement 兴奋。然后 exclamatory sentence 永远要以这个 exclamation marks 作为它的句号，作为它的这个终点，不是句号啊，它以感叹号作为它的这个结尾 ，OK？ So example, go away, you thief！ 他很生气的讲，走开吧，小偷。I will teach that monkey a lesson！ 我会给这个猴子一个教训。So you can have a look at here. There's for each sentence they have one exclamation marks. Okay. So now we have to rearrange the sentence below and turn it into exclamatory sentences. 这边它都乱的了，你们需要把它给排好来。排好之后呢，重组这个句子之后呢，要把它变成 exclamatory marks。自然而然，最后一个字，最后一个符号一定要感叹号。Number one, won first eye the prize, hooray! How am I going to make it? 我们要怎样做 ？Hooray! I won the first prize! Exclamation marks. Okay, so we have 8 questions here. I want you to arrange the words and then complete it, okay? And so today we have covered page 5. We learn about the punctuation. Page 6, we learn about E sound, okay? E, if IE 如果是 IE 的话呢，通常它就是没有这个 C， 有 C 字在前面的话，我们就要用 EI, okay? And then last part we learn about exclamatory sentence 然后最后一个呢，我们就今天有学到这个 exclamatory sentence， 就是这个句子以这个感叹号为这个结尾的这个写句子的方式啊 ，OK？ 这个只是让那个句子变到更加的重感情，更加有你的感受在里面 ，OK？ So for today, I believe that all of you have learned a lot. Page 5, 6, and 7. 把今天的练习做在我们的 exercise 书里面 ，OK？ Complete the works in your exercise book, and Mr. Kenny is going to send the answers for you to do correction, okay? Before Friday. I want all of you to complete your works on time. Is that okay? Okay, you have to submit your works, okay, before Friday. And that's all for today. And thank you, boys and girls, for spending time to listen to the lesson, okay, and to my sharing. And hope to see you soon. 同学们，请把所有的功课做在你们的 exercise 书，然后呢，在星期五之前把功课给交上。老师会在星期五之前呢跟你们做订正。好，谢谢同学们。